As usual, me just grab up the wrong something, but that's all.
They often say the price of progress is dislocation. Go on now.
Who is dislocated?
Well, the vendors at the Constant Spring Market are not happy.
Yeah.
An opposition spokeswoman on local government, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, has come out, I guess, to lobby for them. She's blasted the KSAMC for its handling of vendors at the Constant Spring Market in St. Andrew. Apparently, the vendors last Thursday got written notes from the KSAMC to vacate the market on September 30, and they mounted a demonstration to protest the decision. KSAMC had apparently announced early last year that the market was going to be sold to facilitate the expansion of the Constant Spring corridor as part of government roads improvement project. The vendors say they were given verbal notices to vacate the market by March 31, but in June, Attorney Bert Samuels filed an injunction that the notice was inadequate for the vendors to uproot themselves and find a new location. A 14-day injunction was granted on June 10 by Justice Grace Henry Mackenzie.
Okay.
So now they're being told that they have to go by the end of September. They're not happy about that.
I like to ask questions now because I don't have all.
Let me see if I can answer.
I mean, if it is that they're going to be right there in the middle of the expansion, many things. Because right now I don't even head to. I don't even look.
Constant Spring side.
No, Eastern Park is as far as I'm going to go until that whole thing is fixed.
It's set away.
So a lot of stores I used to go to in Manor Park and them thing, me not going, can't take it on. So I don't know if the Constant Spring Market people were already feeling, people not being able to access them. So moving may be a good thing.
Up there stay away.
Moving may be a good thing because I don't know if people are able to access you.
But where?
Move to where is the question I'm asking. Because to tell them they have to move, fine. But where are they going? Did they tell them where they're going?
Didn't say.
So that's my challenge. Telling them to move, but where are they going?
What they're alleging is that there have been no formal discussions
with them as to where they're going.
Noting that it was still not too late for authorities to find a solution. Dr. Brown-Burke said she was shocked when she learned that there was no formal discussion
with the vendors. Yeah, KSAMC, it needs some liquor talk. September morning I come, so displacement before September morning may not be so simple for these people who need to
have their
work.
Families and them kids to send to school.
So moving, I don't have a problem, but move them to where, and is it going to be somewhere where people can access them? Because me not passing the traffic to go up there.
I know there's also an issue or some issues surrounding the announcement with Marcus Garvey's home. Apparently the folks who live on the property are having some issues with the announcement that was made by Minister Grange on the
What's
weekend.
their issue with the family?
I heard Linton Gordon speaking about it yesterday. He's representing them.
Yeah.
Apparently there are 2 homes up there. So they're looking for 2 homes as replacement as opposed to just 1 house. And there's some issues with the discussion and where it went and where it was left and so on and so forth. But
I guess it's a legal matter, so I'm gonna. But that discussion has been going on for
a long time. From Bruce Gordon's time.
Correct.
But Minister Grange did say that the government is committed to relocating them, and they have reached an understanding.
Yeah.
So
if I'm not mistaken, that's what keeps happening. I don't want to tell no lie on people, but if I'm not mistaken, we keep reaching an agreement, and then when it's time to announce, so I don't know I don't know. Maybe the people in the home need to make public exactly what it is that they're asking, because maybe people at this point don't know. So make public what it is that you're asking for the home of the national hero, and then. Because this is crazy. This is like about 20 years. As for me and my house, I'll just put a nice sign up there and just go build something useful. Because, 20 years of going back and forth.
That's for you and your
property.
house, you will serve the Lord?
Yeah. I mean, 20 years of going back and forth on this property. Maybe you just need to put a sign to say, Garvey live there, and put up something that's...
They said they want to make it a museum, no?
Build a museum elsewhere and put a sign that said Garvey live there. Let me tell you, if this was Marcus Garvey, him would have move on, and he's not a man who love itch with these things. Because 20 years of going back and forth. No, true. 20 years of going back and forth now. It's crazy. Put up a sign and then it's like the ward, you know. May I say let's move on. And there's a big argument. We love all and things too much, man.
Okay. Well, apparently the house is also in a state of disrepair. So they're saying
people
it's 20
really
years of going
back
there.
And forth.
So
it's 20 years of going back and forth.
I really hope it's sorted.
So it's their home. It's their home. They live there. And if they really are having a challenge with letting go of their home, maybe we should let go of it too.
You should take this one.
Oh, Mr. Jamie? The wonderful chef, Jamie Oliver. There it is. It don't even look like jerk rice. Punchy jerk rice. Whole grain rice with fiery chili. And may not read the packet, but okay. So see Mr. Jamie there, right? And aubergine and beans.
Aubergine and beans.
Seriously good.
Yeah, man.
Big on flavor. It's big on every flavor except.
It's good with chicken wings.
Wow. Well, it's big on every flavor except jerk, apparently. So, there's been a huge discussion about how people continue to appropriate Jamaican culture.
Our things.
Not jerk about this rice. And Mr. Man same sell jerk rice. So a lot of people, including my challenge that I have is that I see the Independent, I see Good Morning Britain, I see a lot of people coming out and saying, Jamie, this is wrong. You're wrong? Apologize, because you're wrong. You could have said punchy seasoned rice or something, but not jerk. I don't know if I'm hearing enough coming out of Jamaica. We tend to have this kind of apathy when it comes to defending what is ours, and then people say, well, nothing wrong if him take the it's still something wrong.
Some people think it's a good thing because it's imitation and it's the most sincere form of flattery.
But he's not knowing that the right thing. So that's my thing. If you're going to say jerk, make it jerk.
Have we registered it as a mark?
We've registered it as a geographical mark. Right, so it's Jamaican jerk.
Right.
But when you say jerk, what comes to mind?
Yeah.
Other than Jamie Oliver.
Because he's a jerk.
Yeah. What comes to mind is people think Jamaica because of our thing. I mean,
you're funny, Harris.
It's a serious part of our culture and our history.
Yeah.
And this man just get up and say there's a jerk rice and package it.
Yeah.
And no, Mr. Jamie,
take dance hall jerk.
Did you all see Neo has a music video?
I don't know what is.
For some new hit to him just perform in the middle at some big place. And when they were up dancing, I seriously was looking for Ding Dong. Because I was like, okay, there goes Flary. All right, them fling them shoulder. Okay. So everything them a drop a bomb. And I'm like, where is Ding Dong? Ding Dong must be somewhere in this thing right here. People are going to tell me say it's a good thing. A little bit later on.
If it's done the right way.
Well, a little bit later on, I'm going to read a quote for someone, which is something I've been saying, but now somebody has finally said it about them, Jamaica, for a small country, influencing
the world
in terms of the global allure of Jamaican culture far outweighs its stature. And the rewards for influencing the world in everything from music to fashion, dance, and food are tiny in comparison. The rewards are tiny in comparison.
Punto final?
Well, punto final unless we as Jamaican people stop sitting back. As I said,
and letting people take our things.
At least sugar, we never have no choice. We had it slave, we just have to chop it and load it. But now the things belong to us, so we're still just gonna load it and make people just make money.
Should we do the last hot topic?
What it are? Yes. What is her?
Asia. Argento.
Oh.
Who apparently was one of the first folks who came out to say Harvey Weinstein was she accused him of sexual misconduct. She's a leading figure in the Me Too movement.
I shouldn't know.
Apparently, she sexually assaulted a young man in 2013 when he was 17 and she was 37. What does she do? She apparently paid him off.
Yeah. But if you're watching...
$380,000.
It's a serious thing, but if you're watching Law and Order, you find that there's people who are abused tend to also believe that that's the way that relationships... Not people, I'm generalizing. Some people.
I watch a lot of Law and Order.
Yeah, and abusers tend to.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. She was what, 37 and he was 17?
17. She proper pay him off.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's wrong age, I mean, I tell you to say it wrong.
She knows now, because now she's, I mean, the whole of the eyes of the world are on her.
Yeah.
What she have to say for herself.
But I'll say though, don't use that to say she was not a victim.
No,
she was
of
a
course
victim.
not.
She was a victim.
Experienced what she experienced, but she's also a perpetrator.
Yeah, but we're sure wrong, because we don't protect our young boys, you know. We don't protect our young boys. We think it's cute when big women take on these like teenage boys and we say, oh yeah man, no. It's not cute. Not like a teenage.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's birthday time.
Yes. So you're gonna go?
Leighton Thomas, happy birthday to you. Cleo Bell Walker, girl. Happy birthday, long time to see you.
I see her before you.
Yes.
Recent.
Steve Jennings, Shanae Vassell. Good morning, Patrick Hilton, Mr. NCB himself. Happy birthday to you. And a wonderful woman who does so much work for children in this country, Claudette Pius.
Oh, bless you, lady.
First. Miss Lickle.
I love her.
Happy birthday to you. And Philip and Elaine Charles, not their birthday, but they're celebrating 42 years of marriage. Uno good.
That's as long as I've been alive.
And the children and grandchildren appreciate you for the 42 years. So good morning.
Set an example.
Yes.
Two very special ladies in my life celebrate birthdays today.
What?
One is very special, Dene Maurice and Cecily Ramgalam Singh.
Oh!
Dene Ramgalam has a birthday today. Can't call her my friend. She's my sister for over 20 years. Have a fantastic day today. I cannot find a picture of my mother by herself, so I have to show the picture of her in relation to the most important person in her life right now, who is not me. My mom celebrates her birthday today. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
There's a picture of your mama without
Aaron. I don't, it's not. This is probably the first time I showed a picture of Aaron on television as well. But
look
Mom,
at those two cuties.
Have a fantastic day. We're going to try and make it so that you do.
Hey, Mama.
And to everybody who's celebrating today, August 21,